Hi everyone, my name is Maggie and I'm the Program Development Specialist here at Girl Scouts of Alaska. In this short video, we'll be creating a piece of art inspired by one of the activities from the Vi the Violet Daisy Petal. This is a fun activity for everyone, not just daisies. We know right now it can be really hard to be away from all of your friends, so this piece of art will help remind us that we're part of a worldwide group of sisters, even if we can't see them in person all the time. So our first step for our activity is to get a piece of paper. And then we're going to trace our hand. So you can use markers, you can use colored pencils, you can use anything you have at home. We're going to trace our hand. There we go, there's my hand. Then I'm going to, right across the top, I'm going to write hands across Girl Scout world. And now I'm going to decorate. I just read Vi's story about being a sister to every Girl Scout, and I was inspired by all of her flower friends. So I'm going to draw flowers on mine. You can draw whatever you like. So let's see, maybe I will draw a pink tulip. I'll draw a black-eyed Susan. They have a black center and yellow leaves. All our leaves. Now let's see, maybe I will draw a red rose, kind of swirly top. Come down like this. Lots of petals, all layered together. Then maybe I'll draw an orange, sort of spiky flower. It has lots and lots of skinny petals. I'd like to draw flowers too. Maybe you can draw some flowers that you see around your house or ones that are found near you. Okay, there's my orange spiky flower. Now my flowers just need stems and some leaves. It's kind of a curly stem. Now let's see, I think I'm going to decorate my hand too. I think today my hand has blue nail polish. Yeah, maybe I'm also wearing some rings. Let's see, maybe a red ring. With a big pink heart on it. All right, so now I have my hand all decorated. And this is going to remind me that there's Girl Scouts all over the world that are just like me, and we're all in this together. So we would love to see your art creations. So when you draw a hand, please send us a picture to program@girlscoutsalaska.org so we can share with everyone and we can all be reminded of all of our Girl Scout sisters.